Today I am going to throw with my newest vehicle. You can fly, but sometimes you can get fling because of it. I call it the maneuver car. So guys, I'm gonna complete the build first. Okay. So you can screenshot it if you want to do it by your own. Yeah, I'm gonna let you screenshot right now. Okay, if you don't screenshot, let's go. Let's delete this post. Yeah, this post. Remember guys, this is the instructions on how to make it can fly. Okay, so first you have to move it by your own first, and then you turn on the magnet, and then all you do is, yeah, it's gonna fly a bit. Look, it's flying a bit. Remember guys, don't make it near to unanchored objects, or else it's just gonna get clinged to it, and then you'll just gonna, yeah, be careful when you're like upside down while flying, because when you're upside down while flying, and then your magnet will just try to be on a platform, and then instead it will just make you get flinged. Hey guys, we found this wheel. I found this girl's build. Yeah, I mean it's boys and girls. Okay. Oh, I can't get onto it. Right. Whoa, I really wanted to be on that build. I never. I will be. Okay. Okay, let's just go up. Let's go up. Okay, I'm up. But remember guys, if the wood block is broken, please make sure if when it's broken, the magnet is not on, or else it's on, or else the wood rod will just make the magnet go wrong. Remember guys, when you're like, yeah, don't do that. See, don't do that. See, I'm flying now. Don't do this, okay? Remember, don't ever leave the boat while the magnet's on, or else it's gonna make you go fly weirdly. Okay, let's do it again. Let's put the rod here, and I don't use the balloon because I once used the balloon, and then that it's just goes super high, and then I cannot control the boat because it's going super high. I don't know where it's going. Whee! Oh, I make this. I say if this can fly, because yeah, it just can float like that, but it doesn't really can fly. No. Okay, I'm gonna show you my other cool builds. It's the Holy Beyblade thingy. You see, it's like a normal Beyblade, right? But if you ride it, it's not gonna be normal anymore. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whee! Once you hit that, and then you're gonna crazily fly. Yeah, you're gonna crazily fly. Then it's gonna make you like Yeah, that is super fast because of he got flinged by it. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, the simple math is broken because I can't make it look like what it's supposed to. Oh, what did I? Oh, just loaded the tanks. Oh, so I remember this build. I before I just like to make things and I remember this one too. This one I watched Fusion and then he said and then he and Illusion he and other YouTuber just like uses and then he like with the other YouTubers like put this thingy and yeah, but remember, the more you get the oh, this is from Jesse TC. Yeah, this is from Jesse TC. I forgot it's not from Fusion. It's not from Fusion. I forgot it's from Jesse TC. It's kind of hard to control in mobile because you know there's no like there's no shift lock, so it's hard to do that. So also I was working so hard for like 2 weeks and then I finally got this item because yeah, you know, I'm like kinda new because I like to spend some gold and that doesn't mean I'm kinda new, but I'm just like maybe you're gonna say yeah, like noobs like to spend gold on items. It's like a moving piston, like when you are on it, it's like gonna go up and down. It's like so weird. I never knew what is that blocks use, but yeah, I know, right? Also, do you guys wanna see my most crazy car that I've ever made? I didn't save it because I really remember how to make it. So you need to make it unanchored. So it's called move. Yeah, so it can move. And you can make it out of the old wheels or these. But I'm more like using these. So I need to go out. No, not there. Okay. Put this here. Put that there. And then put the camera here. Yeah, you need to put the camera so you can see what's happening. And you need to use the dome camera because if you use the normal camera, it's like your camera is like rolling. That makes you like your brain hurts because I've ever done that and it hurts my brain so much. Okay, right in the middle. Then wait, what? Ooh, wait, what? How did it? Oh, it's up there. Oh, okay. It's not facing up anymore. And then I'm gonna use the camera. It's kind of glitchy because it's like, yeah, you know, it's like The movement is so weird. I can't even predict what's gonna happen with it. Like, it's just like hard to control it because the movement is so weird. And sometimes you can be in a condition like this. You know. Whee! Oh no. I once was stuck on this tree when I'm using the maneuver car that I showed you earlier. Yeah, because the magnet is like trying to stick with the tree. So yeah, you know. I'm gonna break the camera first because that's away from there. Then put it here. Then launch the boat. Move it first. Then turn it on. And also guys, if you want to turn your boat, you just need to do this. Because if you just like this, and then your boat will just like glitch for, yeah, it's like gonna glitch like this. It's just spin so high. So do not do that. So if you want to control it, if you want to turn it, just turn it to whatever position that you want. I'm gonna make a new video for like at 4 in the afternoon when I got my Robux, so you can see what I'm spending my Robux on. Okay guys, this is the end of this time's video. Goodbye.